If you watched the last video, you already know this. Your problem isn't laziness, and your brain isn't broken. Your dopamine has just been working against you. And maybe you have this concern. I finally understand why I can't focus, but what do I actually do now? So today, we're going to answer that. We're moving from understanding the problem to training your brain to work with you, using something called the dopamine menu. Whether you've had a long, exhausting day, a low-energy day, or you're just looking for a little boost, we all have those small habits that help us feel better. Maybe it's watching your favorite show, listening to music, grabbing your favorite snack, journaling, calling a friend, or just stepping outside for some fresh air. But what if you could take all these little moments that make you feel good and turn them into a tool you can use anytime you feel stuck, unmotivated, or overwhelmed? That's what today's video is about, your dopamine menu. Let's talk about dopamine. Dopamine is like your brain's feel-good signal. It helps you feel pleasure, motivation, satisfaction, and accomplishment. Every time you finish a task, enjoy something you love, or experience a reward, your brain releases dopamine. For example, imagine Alex. He had a long, tiring day, but instead of giving up, he completed a few small tasks, did a short workout, and rewarded himself with an episode of his favorite show. With every small action, he felt lighter, more energized, and his mood improved, thanks to dopamine. So here's the lesson. You don't wait for motivation to act. You act, and then your brain gives you motivation. What is a dopamine menu? Since dopamine is all about reward and motivation, we can actually structure it. A dopamine menu, also called a dopamine, is a personalized list of activities that help your brain feel good in the right way at the right time. It helps you build positive routines, reduce procrastination, stop doom scrolling, and stop feeling guilty at the end of the day. And the best part? It's completely personal. It's your brain, your joy, your rules. How to create your dopamine menu. Now let's build yours. You just simply start by writing down activities that boost your mood, give you energy, calm you when you feel overwhelmed, and make you proud after doing them. Here are some of mine: stretching, closing my eyes for 5 minutes, drinking water, listening to music, walking outside, tidying my desk, cooking a comforting meal, or spending time offline doing something meaningful. Once you have your ideas, we're going to turn them into a real menu, just like a restaurant. What's on a dopamine menu? Starter. Starters are quick actions that give you a small boost. They reduce resistance and make it easier to begin. It's like telling your brain, we're just starting, not doing anything scary, so don't worry. This could be listening to your favorite song, drinking water, stretching, quick chat with someone you love, petting your pet. My starters are listening to music, drinking water, doing 10 sit-ups, and tidying my desk. Main. This is where real momentum begins. These activities take a little longer, but they help you focus, feel productive, and build confidence. The bigger the activity, the greater the sense of accomplishment. Think of it like enjoying the main course at a restaurant. It takes time to finish, but once you do, you're rewarded with energy and a deep sense of fulfillment. This could be journaling, reading, cooking, painting, studying, working on a big task. My mains are reading my favorite books, finishing a work task, cooking, listening to a podcast, running 5 kilometers, or cleaning my room. Dessert. Dessert feels amazing, but only in moderation. They give you a quick dopamine boost, just enough to make you happy and energized. Think of it like enjoying your favorite sweet treat at a restaurant. A little makes you smile and leaves you excited for next time, but too much at once, you'll feel heavy and sluggish. Balance is key. Think about social media, online shopping, binge watching, gaming. They're not bad, but they shouldn't be your main source of dopamine. For me, dessert is online shopping and scrolling social media. Now it's your turn. Create your own dopamine menu. Start small, make it yours, and see how these little choices can transform your day. Finding your activities. If you don't know what to put on your menu, think in 3 areas: physical, running, yoga, dancing, walking; mental, meditation, learning a skill, puzzles, reading; self-care, nature, sleep, cooking, pets, creative hobbies. At the end, when you use a dopamine menu, you stop fighting your brain. You stop forcing focus. You make motivation natural again. You're not lazy. You never were. You just needed dopamine at the right time. So here's your challenge. Create your dopamine menu this week and comment below. What's one thing you're putting on your starter, main, and dessert? If you found this helpful, give the video a like so more people can discover it, and subscribe to support me in creating more content like this. See you in the next video.